Does your tailgate do this when you open it? Does it bother you? Yeah, me neither. But we're gonna do this anyway. I'm gonna show you a cool, inexpensive way to make this tailgate not do this anymore. Here we go. So this is a little hydraulic shock that I purchased off of eBay. If you guys aren't familiar with the channel, I love eBay. Some of us love it, some of us hate it. I love it. This is going to allow the tailgate to slowly fall down instead of come crashing down. You know, back in the day when I owned, like, you know, my first truck was an 87 Ranger, the tailgate didn't weigh anything. It was no big deal, let it fall, no big deal, whatever. This thing is massive. You know, it's got this whole step in it and everything else, but, yeah. So let's dig into this. It's super easy to install, guys. Super, super easy. Let's see what comes with it. Got a sticker. Definitely don't need that. Obviously, you got your shock. Right. Instructions. And then this is just protective film so it doesn't scratch on your paint, which it's going to rub right through this. So I'm not going to worry about this. They give you instructions. A little bit of oil here. I'm assuming to oil the shock. I'll read the instructions just for that. Other than that, these are going in the trash. Oil. Doesn't say anything about it. Alright. Well, who officially cares? Not me. Okay. So it comes with 2 mounting plates on it. I'll show you where they go. Down here on the tailgate. So down here on the tailgate, we're going to remove this bolt and just loosen that one. And then that plate's going to go right in there like that. And then at the top here, they give you I believe it's a 50 Torx bit. T50. And then we're going to remove that, put this bad boy on there, and then reinstall the cable. So if you guys do care about scratching your paint or whatever this thing's supposed to do, it recommends that you see, this is totally different from what I got, so I'm not even going to worry about it. But either way, the instructions tell you put one down here and put one on the inside to prevent rubbing. If it's rubbing enough, it's going to rub right through that. So like I said before, I'm not going to worry about it. Let's start with the tailgate. Alright, so for here we're looking at a 10 millimeter. A painted 10 millimeter, so it goes on there a little tough. So this one we are going to remove all the way. And then this one we're just going to loosen up. Good old gear wrench. We're going to loosen this bolt up enough so I can slide this in here. So slide it in behind the washer there. Put your next bolt in, back in. Tighten them all up. Alright, onto the truck. Alright, so we're gonna take the supplied T50. It fits like crap. Ugh. Holy moly, guys. I'm gonna go get my own junk. So then we're going to take the top plate here, put her in just like that, reinstall it. Now this could move around quite a bit before I tighten it down. I just let it stay where it lands, and then we'll test it from there. All right, and then we're gonna place the shock on it, which is gonna go I don't know if it matters which way it goes. Huh. Oh well, so I'm just gonna put it on. And this end you gotta stand it up. You know, like I said, you gotta nothing to it, right? Wait. They gave me a different bolt. Let's see what this is to. So the bolt they gave me was supposed to take the spot of the one on the tailgate. I don't know why. Oh, because it's a clearance issue. Okay, so I'm taking this top bolt back out here. The one we took out all the way. So you're not going to put that one back in. You're going to put the supplied bolt back in that they gave you, which is because it's a clearance thing. So this 10 mil, you're getting rid of the huge head and then going with this guy here. So we'll put that in here. And then when the tailgate goes up, it won't hit the shock. Okay, we're ready to try it out. Whoops, kick the camera. Look at that. Move this stuff here. Our mystery oil. Okay, so I'll show you here. That's the new bolt they give you, because when the tailgate comes up, the stock one would hit here, so that's why. Clearance is good. Let's try it. Nice. But looks good. Oh yeah, I like that. Goes up a little harder because that shock's compressing, but other than that, look at that. Nice and slow. Let's take an up close look at this thing. So there's the finished product. Up there. And it just clips on here. You know what I mean? You just push it on there, it clips on there. Goes down here. There's your plate. Well, there you guys go. Tailgate shock install. Looks like it's working fine. Hopefully it lasts. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and until we meet again, later.